Hey there, how's it going? Welcome back, great to see you again. Now today I've got my favourite toy here again. Yes, it's the ATEM Mini Pro. It's the ATEM Mini. It's not the Pro, it's not the Pro ISO, it's just the ATEM Mini. Now, one of the holy grails with this sort of thing is that it's incredibly portable and you can do all sorts of stuff with it. You can take fairly easy cameras off to sites and be incredibly mobile, except for one problem. This needs power. I found a solution. I had a good think, I came up with something, I tried it, and it works. And if you want to see what that is, stick around and I'll show you. Now, before I get stuck into what I've worked out with this thing, just a quick reminder to hit all these buttons down underneath here, and of course if you've got any comments or questions during the video, please do put them in the comment section below. I do get back to as many of them as I possibly can. Right, now let's start having a look at this. Now, you all know this thing here, the ATEM Mini Pro from Blackmagic. Sorry, the ATEM Mini from Blackmagic. Just been getting used to saying the Pro ISO recently. This is just the ATEM Mini, and we can take this and set it up very quickly into a really awesome portable live streaming setup. And I'm just going to show you how I can do that now. So here's the ATEM Mini. And all you need to do with this is plug a couple of cameras into it. I've got an AX53 here. This is a really good camera. You just open the door up and you can flip open this little packet under here. And then all you need to do is plug the micro HDMI into there like that. And the other end of that, of course, plugs into the ATEM, which I can do just here. I'll put that into slot 1. And then I can grab another one of these cameras, because you happen to have another one lying around. I open up the slot once again, put in the micro HDMI. They can be a little bit tricky, those. There we go. And once again, I can just run that through and put it into slot 2 in the ATEM. There we go. And now I've got 2 cameras set up. I could set up 2 more cameras if I want, but it's okay. We don't need to for this purpose. And then you can run that out from the HDMI output right here. And today I'm going to use the Atomos Ninja 2 because I just happen to have it sitting next to me. Actually, that was about it. This thing's got a couple of HDMI in and out here. So it's the HDMI in at the top. I'll just plug that in, and I could put a disc in here, which is being used at the moment, but that's okay. And I can just shove a couple of batteries onto the back of this, and that will last me for ages. Just a couple of Sony batteries, which seem to power just about everything in the known universe. So that's great. We've got that much set up. I can add a couple of audio devices to this as well, and I happen to have the Rode Wireless Go here, perfect for this sort of setup. So I can take my Rode Wireless Go, the receiver here, and I just plug this into the audio out jack, and I can plug that into slot 1 here. There we go, and that gives us one wireless microphone. And the other end of this, of course, I can either use straight as a clip onto somebody, or I can tie it up with a lapel mic, or you can get a microphone and feed that into here as well. So there's all sorts of variations and things. It's got a microphone in jack right at the top here. So there's really versatile. There's lots of different ways you can set this up as well. And I've got a couple of those actually. I've got another one in here, so I can run both of those. But now what we've got is everything wired up. So I've got my 2 cameras, I've got a monitor and recorder here, I've got a wireless microphone set up. Now all I need is some power for this thing. Now I had a bit of a think, and a lot of the Blackmagic stuff that I've got with the cinema cameras and bits and pieces, they all run off quite a wide voltage, and it turns out if you have a look at the bottom of the ATEM Mini here, or the Pro ISO as well, they will all run off anything from 9 to 20 volts. That's a huge voltage range. You don't want to go over that, but there's something in the industry that most people are probably just going about, and that's a VLock battery here. This is a pretty standard VLock battery. It's called VLock because that's the type of Sony VLock mount plate that it's got on the back, and that's on a huge number of devices. And also these things have got this little D-tap on the side here. So if you have a look here, it's got this little plug here, and this typically runs at 14 volts. That means that I can use this little D-tap plug on the side of the battery to power the ATEM, and all you need is a suitable cable for it. And I thought, what runs at the same voltage? The Sony cinema cameras. So what I did is I've grabbed my D-tap adapter here, which just plugs straight into the side of this massive battery. This battery is 130 watt hours, by the way, so this thing draws 30 watts, so it should run for about 4.5 hours on this. And I've found that that plug just happens to fit nicely straight in here, and voila, I'm set up. It's running off the VLock battery. The Ninja's running because that's got its two big batteries in the back of it here, and as you can see, that's come up quite nicely. And I'll just switch that so that I can monitor. There you go. And as you can see, that there's switching between the two cameras I've got set up. Now I'm all set up here. I can record, I can do my vision switching, I've got my two cameras here so I can record master on those. I can pick this up, put it into a suitcase, take it anywhere, and with the other two cameras I've got, with the 625s, I can take this anywhere, and I'm set up ready to go. I can stream this out to a laptop with a cellular device, and just go for it. And I don't need to plug in anywhere, so I can take it out into the field, onto a film set, all sorts of places, and just do great things with this. Totally portable. So here you go, I've got two cameras. I've got the ATEM Mini running off the battery. I've got the Ninja recorder also just running off battery. What more could you want? It's all ready to go. Anyway, I hope this has been useful. Just a nice quick video. If you want to see more videos like this, of course, just click down here and subscribe. And of course, I've got this video and this video up here already for you to watch. Go and enjoy those, and leave any comments, and don't forget to share this video out with other people. I will see you in the next one. See you later.